How's it going, everyone? Are you wondering what is the best free alternative to FL Studio? Well, in today's, we are going to go through them. The first one is going to be Cakewalk by BandLabs. This is the closest thing to a full professional DAW for free. Basically, this one have unlimited tracks, they have full VST plugin support, and they have advanced mixing tools. It's used to be paid, but now it's completely free with no restrictions. So head over to their webpage and feel free to try it out. The next one is going to be LMMS, Linux Multimedia Studio. This one feels very similar to Apple Studio. They have pattern-based workflow, built-in synths, and beat maker. They have cross-platform. Basically, this is perfect if you want that FL Studio style experience without paying for it. The third one is going to be the Waveform Free. Basically, with this one, we also get unlimited tracks. They have a clean and modern interface, great for beginners, and it's great for electronic music. This one, this is basically one of the most powerful modern free DAWs right now. And basically, the last one that I'm going to recommend is Audacity. This one is super easy to use. It's great for recording and editing, and it's lightweight. Not a full DAW, but perfect for vocals and simple projects. And so, to summarize, for the pro level, you want to choose Cakewalk. For the FL style beats, you want to use LMMS. For the modern workflow, use the Waveform Free. And for simple editing and projects, you want to use Audacity. Basically, you don't need to use FL Studio to start making music. These free tools that we have tackled are powerful enough for real project. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.